and welcome for this new session under the Toucan hood. So today we're going to talk about data again, and more specifically, how do I prepare my data? Can I make some computation? Can I make some data manipulation within Toucan? Is it possible, and how does it work?
Yes, it's definitely possible, because the goal of our platform is to allow you to build application quickly from any shape of data you have. So we know that the KPIs you're showing in your application are going to change because the business needs are going to change. So there's two ways to do that in Toucan Toco. You can do it on the fly. When somebody is seeing Toucan Toco, the data is calculated and displayed to him. You can also prepare your data inside Toucan Toco, define jobs of data preparation, which we call ETL in the data business, extract, transform, load.
So it's a homemade ETL that you have within the solution?
Yes, but it's built on very well-known blocks of data preparation, mostly Python, but also query languages like SQL, like Mongo. And all of this is available in an open source library that you can extend, and that we extend when we find new things to add to it. Like, for example, we have a utility to build the data for a waterfall chart from any shape of data.
That's amazing. Thank you so much, and see you for the next session.